Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically set up WordPress in your local server so that you can make your own custom WordPress themes and WordPress plugins in your own local server. So for that we need to go to the wordpress.org, which is the official website for WordPress, and here you can see themes, plugins and all the documentations that you will ever need in order to work with WordPress. So we only need the file, we only need the WordPress file. So I will click on get WordPress, and this will basically redirect me to the download page, and here we can see that the latest version of WordPress is 5.3.1. So you can either download that or you can download .tar.gz. So I'm gonna click on this and this will be downloaded in my PC. So if I go to my download section, we can see here this, and I'm going to extract here, and this will give me a folder named WordPress. Within that folder we have everything we will ever need. So I'm copying, not copying. Okay, I'm copying all the files here, and I'm going to local disk C, and here I have already installed XAMPP, and I'm going to go here, and here you can see a folder named htdocs. Here I have created another folder named Tian. So your folder will be something else. You can maybe create Sarah or Zach, I don't know, whatever your name is, or something else. Within this folder that you have created, I will paste all the files that I copied from the WordPress folder. So I will paste it over here, and now I will need to create a database. So for that I need to turn the XAMPP control panel. So I'm clicking on this and I'm turning on the Apache and the MySQL. So I'm simply clicking on start button. So this should be okay. Now I'm going to open the Chrome, and here I'm going to type localhost, then phpMyAdmin. So this will give me the interface of the phpMyAdmin. Here we can see databases. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to simply create a new database. Here, this is our input tab for the name. So I'm going to name it Tian, and the data collection can be you. For now, I'm going to give it UTF-8. Simply, I'm going to click on create, and database Tian has been created. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go to localhost slash the folder name. So my folder name is Tian. Then I need to go to wp-admin. So I'm going to click on that, and this should give me the front page of WordPress. So yeah, this is asking me what language do I want. I want the English language, so I'm going to click on that and hit continue. Then this will ask me all the necessary things regarding the database I have created earlier. So the name of the database is Tian, and the username should be root. There's no need of any password and no need of database host. So yeah, you can give it a name as well, but I will dive more into this later. So I'm gonna click on submit, and this will ask me to install the WordPress. So I'm going to click on this. Then this will ask me some more information like the site title. I'm gonna give a random title, and username is Tian. Password is 123456, like we all do. So I'm confirming the use of weak password because this is eventually very weak. So I'm clicking on this, and I'm gonna click on, oh, I don't want any search engine to index this site, so I'm discouraging it, and click on install. So this should be okay. So I need to provide an email address. So okay, confirm use, discourage, install. So that should be it. So now our WordPress will be installed. If so the WordPress is installed and we need to log in.